Welcome to the Energy Minute with Energy Capital and Power. This week, we look at South Africa's floating solar project. Energy Capital and Power content intern Kaletso Moliwa tells us more.
Having become South Africa's first municipality to install a floating solar photovoltaic PV system, the city of Cape Town is currently undergoing an innovative 12-month research study for the purpose of designing large-scale floating PV projects over the coming years. Established at Cape Town's Kraaifontein Wastewater treatment works, the project has been developed in partnership with Floating Solar, the Water Research Commission, and the University of Cape Town. The purpose of the pilot project is to examine the amount of energy generated by floating panels compared to ground-mounted panels in order to determine water evaporation savings and relative energy generation performance. Committed to diversifying its energy mix and delivering more affordable, reliant power, the City of Cape Town has set a target of adding 350 megawatts of renewable energy generation capacity by 2030, leading the way towards a more sustainable, inclusive, and innovative future.
For more information about South Africa's energy sector, visit energycapitalpower.com/news.